Hello everyone. For today, I'd like to give a recap of how to solve the most basic trigonometric equations. A trigonometric equation is an equation with a trig function inside it that requires algebraic manipulation to handle. For example, if you are given 2 times the cosine of t equals the square root of 3, and you wanted to solve for the exact value of t, you would divide both sides by 2 to get the cosine by itself. And then you would consult something known as the unit circle to determine what value of t gives a cosine of square root 3 over 2. And we assume that t is in radians, so that our numbers are not as large as if we worked with degrees. So when we look up what value gives a cosine of square root of 3 over 2, we see this exact value is pi over 6. We see too that negative pi over 6 is another valid answer that gives you the same cosine. While the convention when working with these problems is to use positive angles only, so we rewrite negative pi 6 as 2 pi minus pi 6. 2 pi in terms of something over 6 would be 12 pi over 6. So therefore, 12 pi over 6 minus pi over 6 is 11 pi over 6. And that is our second answer for the degree. So now we see, at these points, we can add 2 pi times n, where n is any integer from negative infinity to infinity. So those are literally all of our answers. If we do not restrict ourselves to a specific interval, we have an infinite amount of answers, because of how trig functions are cyclic. Note, however, that this type of problem is only the most basic type of trig equation, and most trig equations will be more complex than this, and will more often than not require a calculator, instead of simply looking up the value from a unit circle. So I will discuss those types of problems in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.